Hello, thanks for checking out this video. I know as a student things can get difficult or overwhelming. No worries, Brookdale always has you covered. Here's VP of Student Affairs to fill you in about what Brookdale offers for student services and academic support.
Welcome to Brookdale Community College, one of the finest community colleges in the state of New Jersey. Our graduates can be found in the county, in the state, and across the country doing successful things. We hope that you will be one of our graduates as well. As a first-generation high school graduate, I can tell you that I found success in higher education, and it changed the trajectory of my life. I loved higher education so much. Here I am nearly 20 years later, still helping students, and my office really represents student success. From the time you enroll to the time that you graduate, we're from the beginning to the end, sprinkled in between, and we really look forward to welcoming you to the Brookdale family.
There you have it. To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.